Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with PK. So in this class I will be telling combining selector in CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy the video, like that video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the video. So in this class I will tell you combining selectors and CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class. So first of all I will be open my Sublime text editor in the HTML file. First of all I will be already made a HTML file, but I will be right click and open with will be Sublime text editor. Then I will be open it. So in next class I will be tell you and each type of selector. So I will be erase that all not. I will be erase that things only. And now I will be made a style.css file. And now I will be made a style.css file where my indexed HTML file will be made it. So I will save it. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it. So I will be right click open with Sublime text editor. So here I will be yes open with Sublime text editor. So I will be erase it, and here I will be write combining selector. Okay, save. Then you can go here. So here is coming down like combining selector. And now first of all I will be only even right here combining selector. Then save. Then refresh. It is coming like that. Here you can see it combining, and you can go to the style.css file, and here you can write h1 text align should be center, and your font family should be Poppins. Okay, the Poppins is very good font, and I will give Poppins, so it is coming in center. So now we can give a one gradient, and here I will be write like background gradient. Background should be linear top, comma red, comma crimson, comma red. Then save. Then refresh. It is coming like that. But here you can write background size should be cover, background attachment should be fixed. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. It is coming like that beautifully. So you can give any font, like I will be give any gradient. Here I will be give purple, dark blue, red, and green. Save, refresh. It is coming like that. Here you can see it. You can give any, and I give one beautiful. I will be give light pink, and light red. I give light green. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. It is a perfect. Okay, and here I will be give a color should be, and you can not giving hover. Okay, on background linear, background should be linear, gradient should be to top, comma crimson, comma red. Save, refresh. So it is hovering like that, but it is not coming like good because I will be not right here. Background size should be covered, background attachment should be fixed. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. It is coming like that, but it is not like good. So I will be give transition 0.5 seconds. Save, refresh. Here you can see it. It is, I will tell you in this class combining selector, and here we can write like color. FF. Save, refresh. Here you can see it. So in this class I will tell you combining selector and CSS and the Fabricant Judge class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you next class. So for today, goodbye.